Top 5 tips to pass UK driving test. Number 1. Always check mirrors when changing direction, lanes, or speed. Number 2. Ensure good judgment and observation of surroundings on junctions. Number 3. Keep effective control of the steering wheel on turnings. Number 4. Plan ahead when meeting traffic, overtaking, and passing other road users. Number 5. Look early for road signs and markings to choose the correct lane in good time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thanks.